How you doing, everybody? It's Mike the Wolf Grant down here at Wilkins Harley-Davidson with another Dyno Certified pre-owned motorcycle. This is the 2015 Softail Slim in Vivid Black. It has a total of 5,370 miles on it. It is a 103 cubic inch motor, so it's a full 6-speed transmission. That's a 1690cc motor. It has a couple extra goodies on it. It does have a quick detached windshield. It has the mustache engine guard in gloss black. It has the saddlebags, which are rigid mounted onto the motorcycle. Just do the couple clips and they open right up. Of course, with that, you do have the relocation kit in the back for your blinkers. That's all part of the kit. Now, being a Dyno Certified bike, the previous owner actually just did the service before she traded it, and all we had to do to it was the dyno testing and the certification itself. So all in all, a little more than $300, and the bike is ready to rock and roll. We do back it with a 90-day, 3,000-mile guarantee. Talking a little bit more about the Softail Slim, your handlebars are unique to this motorcycle. They are called the Hollywood handlebar. It's only on the Softail Slim. You have a nice 5-gallon fuel tank. It's more of a solo riding motorcycle. Of course, you can do a 2-up seat on it if you would like, but this one is set up for a solo ride, so you have a solo seat and you can do a couple different luggage racks back here, a little leather bra on the back as well in case you want to protect your rear fender. But being the Softail Slim, it is the lowest sitting Harley. It's a 23.8 inch seat height. I do encourage you to throw a leg over it, feel the rider's triangle, and witness how far down you actually sit into the motorcycle rather than being put on top of it. If you have any other questions, give us a shout, 802-476-6104. Thanks.